Welcome back, you guys. On tonight's episode, we're making bang bang shrimp. Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
All right, guys, bang bang shrimp. Very common appetizer at any of your Asian restaurants. Your Benihana, your, what are some other ones, Rob? PF Chang's, etc., etc. Anyway, bang bang shrimp is very easy to make. What you're gonna need. It's gonna start, obviously, shrimp. I have about a pound here of peeled and deveined raw shrimp. You can go to your butcher, go to your seafood counter at your supermarket. They're gonna have peeled and deveined shrimp for you. Otherwise, the process to devein the shrimp is very easy. It's on the back side of the shrimp, so not the curved. This side right here, that's where the vein is. It's not actually a vein, it's an intestinal tract. You wanna make a small incision and just pull that vein out. You don't wanna eat that. The vein on the inside, what you're seeing here, totally fine to eat. Once your shrimp is cleaned and ready to go, we'll set that aside. For our sauce, what we get the bang bang from? About a 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce. Then I have mayonnaise, which I should have put in the dish. 1/4 cup of some sriracha, and that is how easy our sauce is. First things first, to get started, we're gonna get our shrimp ready to go, ready to be fried. I have some oil on the heat, vegetable oil, going up to 375. 1 egg. If you don't have an egg, doesn't matter, you don't really need it. I just have it to make the batter a little thicker. Bit of buttermilk just to cover the shrimps. Beat that together. I'm also gonna add a little bit of sriracha to this, a little bit of heat. Nice little squeeze. So that's our wet, and then for our dry, we're gonna be frying completely in cornstarch. No flour, just cornstarch. What this is gonna do, we're gonna get a very light, crisp batter with cornstarch. It's not gonna be as dark, so you're gonna be frying, you might be like, whoa, why isn't it changing colors? It's not gonna get that deep brown. You need flour for that. About 1/2 cup of cornstarch, my jar's out. I gotta go back to the Federal Reserves here. Always have extra. Whenever you're breading something, the final coating should be seasoned with salt and pepper. And then we'll take our shrimp, we'll go into that buttermilk, give that a mix. Give it a few minutes just to sit and ponder. While that shrimp is soaking for a couple minutes, we are gonna go ahead and make our sauce. About 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of chili sauce. Depending on how spicy you like it, anywhere from a couple tablespoons to a 1/4 cup of sriracha. I like it on the spicier side. And then I'm gonna do the juice of 1/2 a lime for a little bit of freshness in here. Bang, that's it. That's bang bang sauce. Give that a stir. So just stir until smooth. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. Grab our cornstarch, grab our shrimp, and then just drain off the excess milk and plop it right in there. Let's give that a shake. Make sure those shrimp are nice and coated in the cornstarch. No child left behind, no shrimp left behind. I was left behind as a kid. Now we can fry. Bloody hot. Shrimp fry very fast, probably 3 minutes total is all we're gonna need. I failed to mention earlier, if you don't wanna deep fry, you can totally bake this in the oven. You're gonna wanna do a little different process though. Instead of going buttermilk right to cornstarch, you're gonna go buttermilk to panko breadcrumbs and then bake that. 400 degrees, about 10 minutes. These are probably done. Let's take a look. Perfect. That's what you're gonna wanna see. Again, see how it's not super dark, but it's nice and light and crispy. You're going for sound and you're using your eyes for this one, or your ears, I mean. What that mouth do. Look at those boys. I love it. I love it. No, we lost one. Damn it, dude. That really pisses me off. We'll turn that off, let your oil cool. People always ask me, how do I dispose of all my oil? You throw it down the sink, you make your landlord deal with it. No, that's not true. Sorry, Eric. What you do is you get a jug, an old plastic jug of milk, you get a funnel, you pour the oil once it's cool into that, screw it up, throw it away. Back to this. We're going right in with all the shrimp into the bang bang sauce, and now we just lightly toss it in that sauce. I took about maybe 1/2 cup of my sauce instead of the side because I don't want it to be over sauced. That's a good idea, just to take some of it out, and then you can always add more sauce. You can't take away it once you put it in though. It's got a nice aroma, I'll tell you that, eh? We'll just go onto that plate. Come on, there you go. And now I have a little bit of cilantro. If you have green onion, some scallion, that's nice garnish. And then why not, just a little bit, maybe a wedge of lime. You put that on and you say, Auf Wiedersehen. I'll tell you what, you gave Hitler a little bang bang shrimp, he wouldn't want to bang bang so many people. All right, let's give these bang bang shrimp a taste, eh? What do you say? Cheers. You still have that crunch. You can hear that. Still nice and crispy, still holds up. That cornstarch really does hold up to that sauce. You get the sweetness, you get the spiciness, you get a little bit of zing from lime. That's a nice little snack. That's fun. That's a good time. That's bang bang shrimp. See you guys next time. I'm Donny. Peace. All right, Rob, come get banged.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.